Hello, everyone. As a part of maintenance management, we'll understand what do we mean by replacement problem. Organizations providing goods and services use several facilities like equipment and machineries to carry out their day-to-day operations. All such facilities are to be continuously monitored for their efficient functioning. Otherwise, the quality of service of those facilities will be poor. In addition to the quality of service, the cost of their operation and maintenance would increase with the passage of time. Hence, it is an absolute necessity to maintain the equipments in good operating conditions with economical cost. If a firm wants to survive the competition, it has to decide on whether to replace the old or outdated equipment or to retain it by taking the cost of maintenance and operation into account. What are the different replacement decisions? One is the time of replacement, when to do it. Second is how much to replace, whether selectively we have to replace certain parts or the total replacement of the machinery itself. How to replace? These are the three decisions one needs to be taking while deciding about replacement. Types of replacement problem. Replacement of assets that deteriorate with the time. That is replacement due to gradual failure, due to wear and tear of the components of the machine. This can be further classified into determination of economic life of an asset, replacement of an existing asset with a new asset. The second one is simple probabilistic model for assets which fail completely, means replacement due to sudden failure. So let us understand what do we mean by replacement of an item when time value of money remains constant. Means whatever is today's worth of 100 rupees, even we assume after 5 years also it will be worth 100 rupees only. We are not considering any time value for it. That is an assumption here. Cost of a piece of item over a given time period, say n years, has three elements. One is purchase price of the element, which we are going to consider it as C. Scrap value of the item at the end of n years, we are going to call it or denote it by capital S. Maintenance cost of the item for n years, so summation MT, where T ranges from 1 to n. The total cost T of n of owning and maintaining that item for n years shall be T of n is equal to the purchase price minus the scrap value plus the maintenance cost during the period. Hence, the average cost or A of n would be A of n is T of n divided by the number of years, which is C minus S plus summation MT, whole thing divided by n. The optimal replacement period would be that period which corresponds to the least or the minimum most A of n. Now, to understand this concept, let us do one numerical problem. The question is, a firm is using a machine whose purchase price is rupees 13,000. The installation charges amount to rupees 3,600 and the machine has a scrap value of only rupees 1,600 because the firm has a monopoly of this type of work. The maintenance cost in various years is given in the following table. So they gave us the data from year 1 to year 9. Different years, how much is the maintenance cost? We may clearly notice that every month, every year, cost is getting increased because of probably wear and tear. The firm wanted to determine how many years should the machine be replaced on economic considerations, assuming that the machine replacement can be done only at the year end. So in order to find this time period when it has to be replaced, we need to calculate the average cost based on the cost of the machine, installation charges, scrap value, and maintenance cost. So what is given? So cost of the machine is given as 13,000 plus there is an installation charges 3,600. So it becomes 16,600. Scrap value is given as 1,600. So therefore, C minus S is 16,600 minus 1,600. If we subtract these two, we get 15,000. So the C minus S will be constant. So we can, everywhere we can enter that 15,000. We created this table wherein we are going to calculate the cumulative maintenance cost and total cost and average cost. So 15,000 we will be entering same everywhere. Because the cost scrap value will not change as per the question. Okay. Now maintenance cost in the beginning, how much they gave us? 250, 750. Let me mention that 250 for the beginning, 750 for the next year. Okay. Now cumulative first one will be 250 only. So if we add here, we will get 15,250. The average means I have to divide it by 1. So 15 to 50 only. Here 750 plus 250, we get 1,000. And if I add, I will get 16,000. For 2 years, 16,000 means per year it is 16,000 divided by 2. We get 8,000. Third year's maintenance cost is provided as 1,000. So here it cumulative becomes 2,000. So this becomes 17,000. For 3 years, 17,000 divided by 3. We get 56666 566.66 it comes. So I'm rounding it off to 67. Fourth year's maintenance cost is provided as 1,500. So here cumulative will become 3,500. Then this total cost will become 18,500. Average cost is 18,500 divided by 4. We get 4,625. Fifth year's average. I'm doing this since the keep on the average cost is getting reduced. So the time when it gets increased, I will stop it. And the previous period will be the optimal period to do the replacement. That is how we conclude. Next one, 2,100 is provided. So cumulative will become 5,600. So this will become 20,600. So 20,600 divided by 5 years, we get 4,120. Sixth year's maintenance cost is provided as 2,900. So this will be 5,600 plus 2,900. We get 8,500. 8,500 plus 15,000. We get 23,500. Now 23,500 divided by 6 years. It is 3,916.66. I'll round it off to 17. Seventh year's maintenance cost is provided as 4,000. So 4,000 plus 8,500, 12,500. 12,500 plus, sorry, 15,000. We will have 27,500 divided by 7 years. We get 3,928.57. So I'll make it 3,929. See here, till 3,917, the costs keep on decreasing. 15,000 has become 8,000. Then it has come down to 5,667, 4,625, 4,125, 3,917. But now there is an increase started. So I need not do further. We can stop till this. So the ideal period is this. Means I will conclude that at the end of 6th year, the machine will be replaced. Conclusion, at the end of 6th year, the machine will be replaced since the average cost gets increased after 6th year. That will be the conclusion and solution for this particular problem.